I better turn that volume off there. Okay. All right, so now we have about 30 seconds left until the bell rings. And I was marking out levels over here on VSME, and there really isn't anything to trade this morning. I have SOXS and SQQ. So 10 seconds to go. A rather odd morning. And the market is open. I'll be watching VSME. I want to see us break over 255. And I want to see the volume come in. I'm watching SPY at the same time. SPY is at a good spot to be bouncing right now. So that means these two here, SOXS and, oh, I'm not on the right screen. Here we go. VSME. So VSME I'm watching. Coming down to a support there. I'm going to go ahead and buy that on lighter volume. Just take one position there. And then these two, SOXS and SQQQ, are inverse of the market. So the market looks like it's bouncing, and so I don't want to be a buyer yet on those two. I'm just going to go ahead and take the profit on VSME. I'm up $60 on that. And now I'll just kind of wait. So it was a little risky trading VSME because it's so light on volume. But what I was doing there, and I'll show you, is I was looking at the 15-minute time frame at that level that I marked out pre-market. There's a trough right there, and also there was a trough on the hourly time frame at 228. So we had those two trough levels. So I felt pretty confident that we might bounce from there, but I didn't want to hold it because of the market conditions today. All right, so the fact that these are dropping means SPY is moving up, and we can pull up SPY here. This is SPY. I'm not going to trade it, but so you can see SPY when we opened, we came down to the volume weighted average price, and it looked like a good place to bounce. Looking for a 5-minute higher low. SPY has some resistance up at that level, 423.66. That's on the larger time frame. That's right here, right up here. And VSME now dropping below that support. The hourly time frame on that one. Yeah, see how beat up it is on the hourly here. So it's possible we could see a higher low above $2 psychological. On that hourly time frame. Or we may see our 15-minute higher low and higher high here. Oh, the market's coming up to a double top on SPY on that 1-minute time frame, breaking through it. Yeah, my apologies for the live stream freezing up. So I guess I'll have two live streams today. I'll have the intro part of the live stream, and then I'll have the main part. LABU is now hitting the scanner. Not a stock I usually trade. And it's just following the market. So we didn't have any stocks this morning on the gap scanner with news. So I'm watching SPY, I'm watching the inverse of SPY and VSME. I'm not really interested in it. Right now we're coming down to that 15-minute support, and there it just broke right through on high volume. Bulls might buy the dip there, but it's hourly consolidation there, breaking below that last candle. So now I would be scouting an hourly higher low, but I wouldn't have any confidence that we would see a return back to 255. So if I were to trade this, depending on the setup, I think I would wait till we get back up to 255. Need to see the bulls prove something here. So on SPY, in the larger time frame, we're just looking for a lower high on the 15-minute. This is a pretty big pullback. Bulls want to see a higher low and a higher high to continue up towards this double top. So you could technically, if you traded SPY, you could look for that pullback and get in it and put your stop loss down at the low. Keeping in mind 421 is the low of yesterday, 421.17. RIVN is hitting the scanner, but it's also pretty beat up. Right here, larger time frame. It's just an hourly downtrend. I traded this, I think, on Wednesday back here. So interesting look on SPY. I'm going to hide my trading windows there. 4-hour time frame. What did I... Let me see here. I'm going to go to equities, turn off extended hours. So this is, will we see a pattern here on the 4-hour time frame? That pattern that I love so much. It's a little, I don't know, it looks like we already tried here with a double top and now we failed. Maybe it's a triple pattern. I don't know. But it is a range. But if the bulls can break over 425, that would be something. Well, happy Friday. I could take a trade on SOXS, but I don't know. I haven't done so well on it in the past. And the market is coming down to that daily level. That was a nice pullback here on SOXS back to that 1170. So we had that inside bar finding support there. Resistance up here at 1191. Nice breakout here on VSME. So here we are, SPY down at yesterday's low. SOXS continuing to try to go higher, but it's coming up to its resistance. SPY breaking below yesterday's low. Will the bears get follow through on that? The daily RSI is not oversold. Not yet. RIVN here bouncing off of the volume weighted average price. 2-bar pullback on that 5-minute. It's got nice volume. Well, you know, something I haven't seen in a few days is a halt, and we now have one. Let's go take a look and see what it is. PRZO. And it's halted going up. It's a cheap stock. Something about, it's got news about operating, it's an approval to operate drones in populated areas in Australia. PRZO. It's got some good volume behind it. It's pretty extended, but I can pull it up and watch it. I'm going to, I have VSME over here on my other screen, so I'll keep an eye on VSME. And if it looks like something I want to trade later, maybe I'll pull it back up. PRZO. All right, so the range on this candle is 19 cents. So I'm going to choose 20 cents from my candle range so that when I get into the trade, my stop loss will be 20 cents away. And larger time frame. Yeah, see what I mean? Hourly is overextended. Let's look at the daily. Okay, nice breakout on the daily. We're trading below all of these averages. So $1.50 overhead. And we have a daily level. Actually, right there at 205. What has this thing done in its past? Oh, this is a fairly new one. So this one IPO'd back in July. PRZO. Okay, so we got our all-time highs are up here at 250 or 415. And another daily level here. Who knows if this thing's gonna take off and get crazy on us or what, or maybe just rolls over and fails. Halted at 641, so resumption should be at 646. That's in 2 minutes. 15-minute time frame. Cheaper stock though, I don't know. Do I want to be a buyer? Just not sure. So we had a nice volume spike here, halted on over 2 million shares. SLXS looks like it might pull back more. Market looking for a 5-minute higher low and higher high. Nice breakout on SPY. Now SLXS breaking down. What time is it? 6:45. Just about 6:46 here. I'll watch PRZO. We'll see if it presents us with an opportunity here. So it only had to move 19 cents to get halted. Halted at $1.24. Watching for resumption. Okay, there's the resumption. I put in a limit order. Didn't get filled on it. Not sure whether I want to keep that limit order in there or not. $2.50. I'm just not in a hurry this morning to give back the profit that I made, considering the kind of day it is. And also considering I don't usually do too well on the cheaper ones. Oh, okay. SMR. All right, let's take a look at SMR. Hourly Pretty big move. It gets its technology approved. 15 minute, yep. Three bars up on the 15. 5-minute time frame. Whoops, what did I do there? So this is the high of day on that 5-minute. So that level came into play here. Nice pullback to that area and then continued higher. So we are trending here on this one. So I have another price level here to watch. That last 5-minute candle. So I'll watch that level. Volume is pretty good. New 5-minute candle. So we'll see if we pull back to 538. I'll take a starter on it there. Just take the profit on it, and then that way if it pulls back, I can get back in. I want to see it come right down to 538. And so I guess the worst thing that could happen is it just goes up without me. Put in a limit order here and see if it pulls back. Okay, so there's a nice break on that. My order got filled there. Quick trade. Look at SOXS. SPY must be dropping. Yep. We have a 1 minute downtrend on SPY. If we lose, well, we might lose our support. So that was a nice pullback. I wish I would have held. I was looking for 538. Didn't get it. This is a possible head and shoulders setup here. With your shoulder, your head. I'll be looking for another shoulder. That's a great drawing. That's like one of my prize drawings right there. They don't get any better than that. Woo! Ha ha. Resistance to get over is 568. With 30 seconds left to go till a new 5-minute candle forms here. PRZO has a resistance of 131. 5-minute consolidation down to $1.20. That previous high of day. That was that level we played off of. No, I was thinking of this one. Can we hold? So our 5-minute level is at 542. And what that is that's this higher low. Well, may have a bounce potential off the VWAP here on PRZO. I'm watching SMR. I want to see a break over 563. I wanted to see it on that candle. But what we have here is an equilibrium. So I want to see a bull break of 563. I'm going to buy it off of that support. PRZO just halted going down. And when I said I wanted to buy it off this support, I'm talking about that one, 550, psychological. But what I want to see is a direct move back up over 563 to break this equilibrium bullish. I'm just going to go ahead and take the profit on that. And I'm going to be done for the day. Just because it was kind of like faltering there for a bit. And maybe we see it break, maybe we don't. My profit up here, it shows that shows that I'm up $1. Oh, now it shows that I'm up $667. But I'm actually sitting at $112.07 on the day. The other one I traded this morning was, well, I've traded three of them. Was SMR. No, that I already have that one up. PRZO, SMR, and BSME. That's what it was. There you go. So now you can see the profit if you add up $60 and $49 and $250. You can see that's about 112.07. Oh, nice. I think what I should have done is had an order down here ready to go to scoop up shares when we broke below 550. Nice volume coming into this. 20 cents on that candle. There's a nice break. New 1-minute candle coming up. I'll buy the dip on it. I don't trust that. So I'm back out of it. And just like that, I'm going to be done. So I'm going to close my trading windows, and I gave back, that was my first loss on the day. So I'm up $88 on a day where the momentum is just not there. And PRZO just kind of gave it up here. And this one here, SMR, it's becoming a little too choppy for me. Nice trend on the way up here, but now it's just chopping around. Got a bear break into a bull break, and then no follow through, and now a bear break. Could buy it off of the volume weighted average price, but do I want to? I don't know. It's 5-minute consolidation now. It's a good place for a bounce, but I am done with my trading. Good luck today. SPY is tightening up on the 5-minute time frame. We'll be looking for a break of that equilibrium. And actually, I want to go back. Hey, Andrew. Zero. Yeah, zero momentum. That is like negative momentum. Is that possible? Yeah, when I traded this, I was just looking at this equilibrium here. And we pulled back right here, and that's where I jumped in it. And I was looking for the breakout. How dare you change on me? But I didn't get it, and took profit early on that. Oh, good job, Andrew. Nice. Nice. Gotta love the green days, even if they're small. Every little bit helps. Yeah, I'm going to get out of here before I do something stupid and give back all my money. You guys, Andrew, take care today, and have a great weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday morning. Yep, catch you next week. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Bye.